All right, guys, quick update with the Discord. One, it's open. Join it in the description. It's been open. Two, I have put in a Discord bot or whatever that will take this data and spit it out in the news. I believe it's the news channel in the Discord. So if anybody like wants me to add anything to it, like right now I have it on USD only and red folder only, so it'll only spit out this stuff. But if you want me to put in like medium folder or whatever currency that you're trying to trade, I'll put whatever you want. All right. So what else? Yeah, Discord in the description. Go ahead and join. So today, very interesting day. We had CPI at, I think it was what, market open? No. Let me do something real quick. And it is on Central Time, so it will come out 15 minutes before market opens. But it doesn't really matter because everybody's market opens at the same time. Anyways, so we had CPI this morning about an hour before market open. So as you can see, this was the candle from it. So it's like, whoa, it's kind of crazy. After seeing that in pre-market, I was kind of like, okay, yeah, I know it's going to come back down. So I marked out, 1 hour liquidity, 4 hour liquidity, that kind of stuff. And the S&P was probably the better trade, to be honest. But we did take a trade on NASDAQ here. Beautiful trade here. So we swept this liquidity way down here. I also found a pretty gnarly, I believe it was 1 hour. Yeah, a huge 1 hour fair value gap right here that I went ahead and marked out because I saw that this reacted off of it pretty well. What was that, yesterday? Yeah, yesterday this reacted off it pretty well. So I figured I'd pull it all the way through. Plus we also had this huge candle of liquidity right here as well. So once this swept it and it hit this fair value gap, I think we were bound to go up. That was my kind of thought process behind it. And it looks like it kind of worked, luckily, because losing streaks kind of suck because it takes a lot of emotion to get over losing streaks. Anyways, so we entered in the trade. We did the fair value gap, which I'm going to try and add in from now on, either a fair value gap or an order block. That way it's one more confluence that will help me kind of make a better decision and get away from the losing streaks of days after days. So we went with today. I did update the journal. So we're sitting at 35% still. I think we were at like 33 after yesterday. So here's today's trade, row 18. We did a break of structure. Well, I need to switch the order of it because we did liquidity sweep, break of structure. No, that's still wrong. We did, oh my God, let me just look at the chart. We did a fair value gap, liquidity sweep kind of at the same time. So fair value gap, liquidity sweep, and then we did a 5-minute retrace downward here. So let's see if we can get this a little better. This candle right here was the black 5-minute reach, tiny candle. What else? And break of structure. So I decided with today's break of structure, I'm going to actually try and see if I can do it as a little spaced out action, not directly where, for example, this would be in the past, or I guess yesterday, literally yesterday, what I do is I would wait for it to cross over this red line right here on this candle. And then once it closed above this, because you can see it, as you can see it did close above that red line, boom, enter the trade right there. Enter it, never look back, set stop losses, all that crap, which I guess it would have worked out good today. But for a little bit of better confirmation, I figured let me do it on a kind of higher downward candle and set the breaker structure there. So we did. We entered here, kind of came back down a little bit, and my stop loss was freaking huge. That's why it was such a bad RR, which realistically could have been probably at the top of the fair value gap or at the just like right under the liquidity. That usually I put it right under liquidity just because I don't want to get wicked out, and honestly I don't set stop losses. Today I did because I was going into a marketing test after like being in this trade for 2 hours. So I went ahead and set a stop loss all the way down here at equilibrium of the fair value gap. I guess 50% or whatever you want to call it, the half point. Yeah, so throughout the time of being in the trade, I just kind of kept checking back and marking out different 5-minute fair value gaps like this one, and then it tapped in, went back up. This one I would say kind of got invalidated, but more like an order block. The puppy keeps going after the big dog. The big dog's sick, so it's not a good time for the big dog. So I'm trying to like train him to chill out when I say chill out, and chill out when he sees Finn that wants to chill out. Anyways, so I kept marking out this as we were going along. As you can see, I mean, tapped here, went up, came in here twice, 3 times, 4 times, went up, hit TP1, TP2. So if we were not going into a marketing test and actually watching it, my stop loss probably would have been here, which is still only a 1.58. As you can see, like, yeah, I was busy, not able to watch it. So once TP2 got hit, that was fully out. I believe we cleared, or back to a better balance. So this was today. Remember, this is all paper trading. None of this is real. So here was our losing streak, and I was taking 2 trades a day. So 1, 2, and then I'm pretty sure this was a trade. Okay, no, wow, I took 3 trades in one day. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I want to get back to this right here. This was awesome. 1, 2, 3, 3 days in a row. What is this? 2, 2. Let's take profits and stuff like that. Man, oh man. Oh well. So yeah, hopefully we can kind of get back in the groove of things. One of the guys in the Discord, this is why you need to join it. If you are interested in this kind of stuff and you're not in the Discord, this is a game. It's a game kind of deal. I'll actually play it real quick and we can see how bad I do. As you can see, I'm down $1,400. It's options only, which kind of is, I mean, you can pay for the futures, but I don't pay for the futures. What are we doing here? Skip to pre-market. So you just kind of come up in here and let's skip to market open. It's going to be very quick. You can kind of see my thought process too. If it'll load. Okay. Wow. Holy crap. Let's remove all this. So 8:30. Where's 8:30? There it is. Okay. So 1 hour chart here. I think we are at all-time highs on this. So my guess would be that it would come down. Tap this. Keep going up. But there's really nothing to draw off of because there's no other. There's nothing else to the left. So what's 4 hour? 4 hour. Yeah, that's probably the best candle there. Okay. So you mark out whatever you want. Of course, we're in pre-market right now. I am getting, my phone is getting blown up for my class project or whatever. Busy. Okay. So I think we could come down. Actually, let's look at like 15 minutes. Could sweep this and go up, but I do think it's going to come down and go up. So I would go to the 5 minute, put the time multiplier on this, and glitched out. So then I have to go to the 1 minute and watch it here. It's a little buggy sometimes, but I would definitely check this out if you're trying to work on, like back testing. It's 9 o'clock at night. You're not trying to play Call of Duty or anything like that. You just want to trade, but obviously markets are closed at that time. So you just come in here and it picks out a random day for you and you just trade it. Obviously this Friday looks like it was full of news, or maybe it was a bank holiday, because this price action sucks. Major poo-poo. But then if, for example, if I wanted to take a trade, I would you'd slide this. You can see there's the percentage of the cash. With this one, I was doing 8%, but I did move it up to like 15 to 25%, just because I wanted to put more money in and either diminish all of my money and blow my account, or just act like I'm making more, because the options are pretty weird with this. But I guess we'll go ahead and buy. Probably gonna fuck my account right here for the video, but okay. Do we take profit at 10? We'll take profit at 10%, just because. So you click this, click sell, boom, done. Skip to the end of the day. I kind of want to see where price went, if I should have gotten out or not. So yeah, the day is concluded. You can see your wins, your losses, your longs, your shorts, how many games you've played. Yeah. This is your level. You can add me. This is the guy that sent it. Obviously, I'm not doing good. Looks like he blew his account. Unfortunate, unfortunate. Anyways, y'all join the Discord. It's fun. This is also in the description if you want to use this and track your wins and losses. Over here, it shows what confluences are working best for you. Actually, I think I might switch this side. I'm going to switch this side to being confluences that are winning for you and confluences that are not winning for you. But we'll see. You'll see in the next video if I even do that or not. I just like to see how many times I actually use stuff. So liquidity sweeps are a definite one that I'm always using. Break of structures are always one that I'm using. 5 minute retrace as well. Fair value gap and order block. So then I can see, like, let's find the fair value gap one. Boom. There's one of the two fair value gap ones, or one of the 4 fair value gap ones that was a win. Let's see what else. 2 fair value gap ones right there. One's a loss, one's a win. So we're 2, 3. Where's the other one? Pretty sure it's gonna be in here. But anyways, guys, hope y'all did good. Have a good day.